So today in my kitchen, I have been making these trail mix chocolate bars. They're ideal for hiking, walking, or if you want to bring a really delicious picnic snack, or if you're going on a road trip. They are made with vegan chocolate, made with coconut sugar, and they're jam-packed full of all the sort of things that you'd find in a trail mix pack. So let's go take a quick look and see how easy they are to make. But before we do that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up, let me know how you get on, that really helps me a lot. Okay, let's go take a peek.
So the first thing you want to do is melt your cacao butter. So you want to get a heat-proof bowl and put it in a pan with boiling water that has just been turned down to simmer. That'll melt it really quite quickly. Add in coconut sugar and your cocoa powder or cacao powder. Mix it in until everything is melted together. And then the other ingredients that you can play with according to your taste. So I've added a pinch of salt, 2 heaped tablespoons of raisins, 1 tablespoon of goji berries, and also pumpkin seeds, 2 tablespoons of shelled hemp seed, a small handful of Brazils that I've chopped up, and a small handful of non-crystallized ginger. Remember, you can just put as much or as little of these as you want in there. And then I want to get a chocolate mold. If I haven't got a chocolate bar mold, what I'm going to do is get a container, any container, plastic or glass, and line it with parchment paper, and I'm just going to pour it in there. Like my mum did that version. I used the chocolate mold here, and then I just poured in the mixture. It was kind of overflowing a bit because I had so many ingredients in there. And then I pop that into the fridge, or you can also pop it into the freezer to set. If you pop it into the freezer, it's going to set really quickly. If you're going to pop it in the fridge, it's going to probably take about 45 minutes or so. And then once it's set, get it out, pop it out, and then you're good to go. So here's one that my mum made. She didn't use the chocolate mold. She used different ingredients. So she ground some of her ingredients and she put some freeze-dried raspberries on top of hers. And she used a glass container lined with parchment paper and then just chopped it up into nice squares.
So let's have a little taste. Oh wow, that is amazing. So thank you for tuning in. If you make this, please do let me know how you get on. If you do any swaps or substitutes, then let me know what you do. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Come check out the full recipe on my website, kindearth.net.